a very welcome back to the channel. If you've been dreaming about your next solo adventure, but feel a little nervous about taking the leap, you're in the right place. Solo travel can be incredibly rewarding, and with just a bit of planning, you can make it safe, smart, and unforgettable. Today, I'm sharing my top 4 essential tips to help you do exactly that. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. First up, let's talk tech. These days, your smartphone is your ultimate travel companion. Before you leave home, download offline maps of your destination. This is a lifesaver when you don't have Wi-Fi or data. Make sure you have a reliable portable charger, too. The last thing you want is your phone dying when you need it for navigation or an emergency. I also recommend a translation app with offline capabilities, perfect for when language barriers pop up. And for extra safety, consider sharing your live location with a trusted friend or family member. It gives both you and them peace of mind. Remember, technology isn't just for scrolling, it's a powerful tool to keep you safe, connected, and stress-free while exploring. Mi second tip, honestly one of my favorite locals. This is where the true magic of solo travel happens. Don't be shy. Ask the barista at a coffee shop for their favorite lunch spot, or strike up a conversation with a vendor at a local market. Most people are proud of their hometown and love sharing insider tips. By connecting with locals, you'll uncover hidden gems that aren't in any guidebook and get a much richer, more authentic feel for the culture. These simple interactions can turn ordinary moments into unforgettable experiences and, sometimes, even new friendships. This is how you go from being just a tourist to a true traveler. Tip number 3 is all about doing your homework. Spontaneity is fun, but a little research before you go can make a huge difference. Learn the local customs and basic etiquette. Just a few phrases like hello, thank you, and excuse me go a long way towards showing respect and smoothing interactions. Don't forget to look into the public transportation system. How do you buy tickets? Is there a travel pass that can save you money? Understanding the basics of getting around will make you feel confident and stress-free when you arrive. A few hours of prep can save you a ton of confusion later, leaving you free to enjoy your adventure to the fullest. And finally, tip number 4, pack light. I can't stress this enough. It's tempting to pack for every possible scenario, but trust me, you don't need it all. Traveling with just a carry-on or a small backpack gives you freedom and flexibility. You'll move through crowded streets and busy train stations with ease, and you'll save money on checked bag fees. Focus on versatile clothing you can layer, and mix and match neutral colors and comfy fabrics are perfect. And remember, unless you're going somewhere extremely remote, you can always pick up anything you really need along the way. Packing light isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. So, bag feet. The key is to pack versatile clothing items that you can layer and mix and match. Think neutral colors and comfortable fabrics. Remember, unless you're going somewhere extremely remote, you can always buy something if you really need it. Packing light isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. And there you have it, my 4 essential tips for any solo traveler. Stay connected with technology to stay safe. Engage with locals for authentic experiences. Do your research to travel confidently, and pack light for ultimate freedom. Solo travel is an amazing journey of self-discovery, and with these tips, you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. It's all about being prepared, staying open-minded, and embracing the adventure. You've got this. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any solo travel tips of your own, share them in the comments. I'd love to read them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content. Wishing you happy travels, and I'll see you in the next one.